Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're exploring some of the top new places you need to visit in the United States. Whether you're planning a road trip, a staycation, or just looking for travel inspiration, we've got you covered. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a wild ride through some of the coolest new spots in the USA. First up, we're heading to New York City to check out the Vessel. This architectural marvel is located in the heart of Hudson Yards and has quickly become one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Picture this, a giant honeycomb structure made up of interconnected staircases. It's a stunning piece of modern architecture that stands 16 stories high and consists of 154 flights of stairs, 2,500 steps, and 80 landings. It's like an M.C. Escher drawing come to life. The intricate design creates a mesmerizing visual effect that will leave you in awe. You can climb up and down, get lost in all the different levels, and get some seriously awesome views of the city. From the top, you can see the Hudson River, the surrounding skyscrapers, and even the Empire State Building in the distance. Talk about a workout, though. All those staircases, you'll be feeling the burn, but trust me, it's worth it for those picture-perfect moments. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a unique experience, the Vessel offers something for everyone. If you're ever in New York City, do yourself a favor and check out the Vessel. It's not just a structure, it's an experience that captures the essence of the city's innovative spirit. It's a must-see for any visitor. Don't forget to bring your camera because every angle offers a new perspective and a chance to capture the beauty of this architectural wonder. Now we're diving into something truly unique. The Underwater Museum of Art in Florida. This isn't just any museum, it's an extraordinary experience waiting beneath the ocean's surface. This is a full-blown museum submerged beneath the waves, where art and nature come together in a breathtaking display. Here, you can scuba dive or snorkel and explore incredible art installations that are unlike anything you've ever seen before. Can you imagine swimming alongside schools of fish while checking out these amazing sculptures? It's an experience that feels almost surreal. It's like entering another world, a magical fusion of art and marine life. The colors, the textures, the movement of the water, it's also enchanting. And get this, the museum actually acts as an artificial reef, attracting all sorts of marine life and promoting coral growth. It's art with a purpose, contributing to the environment. Trust me, you guys, the Underwater Museum of Art is a total game changer. It's not just about viewing art, it's about experiencing it in a whole new way. It's a one-of-a-kind experience that combines art, adventure, and conservation. Whether you're an art lover, a nature enthusiast, or just looking for a unique adventure, this place has something for everyone. Next up, we're heading to Tulsa, Oklahoma to check out the Gathering Place. This ain't your average park, folks. This is like a mega park, a super park, an amusement park of outdoor fun. It's completely free to enter. You can enjoy all this amazingness without spending a dime. Trust me, the Gathering Place is a hidden gem in the heartland of America. Get ready for a wild ride because we're about to enter the mind-bending world of Meow Wolf in Las Vegas. This isn't just any art exhibit, it's an immersive experience that will leave you questioning reality. Imagine this, you walk through a secret door in a grocery store and boom! Suddenly you're not in a grocery store anymore. You're transported into a psychedelic, interactive art experience that feels like a dream come to life. Meow Wolf is like a giant playground for adults, filled with secret passages, hidden rooms, and mind-blowing art installations. It's a place where your imagination can run wild. You can touch everything, climb on things, and interact with the art in ways you never thought possible. It's a hands-on adventure that engages all your senses. It's different every time you go. No two visits are ever the same, making each trip a unique experience. They're constantly changing and updating the exhibits, so there's always something new to discover. Trust me, folks, Meow Wolf is not your average art experience. It's a place where art, technology, and imagination collide. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. From the vibrant colors to the intricate details, every corner of Meow Wolf is designed to captivate and inspire. So if you're looking for an unforgettable adventure that will leave you in awe, Meow Wolf in Las Vegas is the place to be. Don't miss out on this extraordinary journey into another dimension. Last but not least, we're heading to Washington, D.C. to visit the Reach at the Kennedy Center. Imagine this, expansive outdoor spaces, art installations, and performance venues that'll rock your world. And the best part? They've got free events happening all the time. From concerts to dance performances to film screenings, there's always something going on at the Reach. It's the perfect place to soak up some culture, enjoy the outdoors, and experience the vibrancy of DC. Trust me, the Reach is more than just an addition to the Kennedy Center, it's a destination in its own right. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this whirlwind tour of some of the top new places to visit in the USA. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Let us know in the comments which new place you're most excited to visit. Until next time, happy travels!